Running through Winton, State Highway 6 is the main transport link connecting Queenstown to Invercargill. Extensive cracking due to fatigue from weak support meant repairs were required. But as the road passes through the main centre of the town, any repair work would be a major disruption to local businesses and traffic. Split into 4 sections, a 270mm combined deep lift asphalt pavement was designed for the 1.5 km stretch of road. But in one 300m section, initial test splits indicated that the underlying subgrade was so soft and so close to the surface that it would interface with the new 270mm deep lift layer. While the normal solution of a 1 metre deep dig out was a viable construction method, a possible multi-week shutdown of the entire road proved too disruptive. Downer sought an alternative asphalt solution by using the HaTelit C reinforcement geogrid. Aware of successful projects done overseas where HaTelit C has greatly strengthened thin asphalt and increased the life of the pavement in situations where a deep dig was not economically viable. The design of the 270mm deep lift asphalt gave the new road an approximate 7 to 10 year design life. Owing to the nature of the soft subsoil conditions, however, it was uncertain how long the 300m proposed section would last. While non-reinforced asphalt may only last 3 to 4 years, Downer's independent research showed that by using HaTelit C, the pavement's life expectancy extended to 9 to 12 years. The 300m section's design intent was to act as a bridge between the more solid sections of the road, with the HaTelit reinforcement layer helping to transfer load to more suitable areas. With traffic being diverted through the town during different stages of construction, the southbound section of the road was milled back and filled with a 40mm DG10 asphalt layer in 2 separate stages. Once the 2 strips were evenly filled with DG10 to meet the median of the main road, each strip was tack coated before the HaTelit C was rolled out. Being careful to make sure the 2 strips of HaTelit C met evenly along the length of the road, the Downer team made sure the reinforcement grid remained straight and free of wrinkles. Where State Highway 6 turned into State Highway 96, the HaTelit product was simply cut to meet the road's curves. Once in place, the entire section of the southbound road was covered in a 50mm of AC14 to create a continual smooth surface. This solution proved to be much more cost effective and far less disruptive than a full dig out and installation of a completely new pavement. As the road surface will be monitored in the years to come, test cases such as this for resurfacing cracked and potholed pavement using HaTelit C will change the face of long-term repairs in New Zealand's road network.